Okay, this is the arrival of all of the goodies for the Demon 170. It's the equivalent of the crate, the race crate that came with that car, but for the 170, they did something different here. I took delivery of the car in February, late February, and now my goodies are showing up. So this came from the Dodge Concierge, and it's got a bunch of cool stuff in it. So the first and coolest piece that everybody talks about is this one, which is this decanter set. Oh, this is cool. This was specially ordered for all of the Demon owners, the 170 owners, and you had some customizing options that the concierge gave us. Okay. So this is the whiskey decanter set. It's got my VIN number on it, which is VIN matched to that one. And this is for the Demon 170. So this is number 2698 here. And the 170 right here is 2698. And let's see what's in it. Now that's cool. So this is a graphic of probably all the people that actually assembled the car at the Brampton plant. Signed. That is very cool. So this is a little bit of detail about the car and a letter for the 170, some of the stats. And then what's inside is what everybody's interested in, which is so cool. Look at this.
Okay, I wasn't.
So here's our whiskey decanter with the Demon 170 logo. Look at that bad boy. Oh, check these out. Demon heads. What are these, like whiskey stones or something? I think maybe they are. Like you freeze them like stones or cubes. And my own tumblers. Demon 170 on the bottom. This is cool. I'm gonna have to break into this today. And leather coasters. That's pretty darn cool. And what's in here? Oh, look at that. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but it's got my VIN number, the build number. What is that? I'm gonna have to find out.